Still, as validity of edge visual detection is quite important. Overall statistics with measurement correlation will be a key factor for verification. So let's compare statistics with classical radial measurement approach, used with some variation by all OEM manufacturers. Here we have inner radius correlation, stunning 0.99. Outer radius correlation is quite high too, 0.94. Let's not forget, we are not measuring contacts in regular way, just making estimation according to edge. So proposed algorithm performs at least 5 times higher speed than any classical approach flows. High correlation to actual dimensions make this approach valid for stochastic measurement, where accuracy less important. Thank you for attention.